Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have this display case where I can display some of my items on this beautiful glass display case. But I do have one problem, and it's the lock right here. As you can see, the lock is open. This little latch comes in and out, but I lost the key. So what do I have to do? I have to replace this lock. And so we're going to do a quick video today just to show you how easy it is to replace this type of lock on a glass display case. And so I went ahead and purchased a new lock. Now I purchased a black one thinking that it would match better with the trim here. I could have easily have purchased this kind of metal chrome type look or a different color altogether. Now these are really simple to install. It just takes a couple of screws here. In this case, I do have the key. And so you can see as I twist it, this little portion comes in and out and will latch behind this little frame here. And I actually got several of these just for about 12 bucks. You can get just one for cheaper, but it's a lot easier than asking a locksmith to drill this out and replace the lock. So let's get to it. And so the first step is just to take, in my case, a Phillips. I could either use a straight screwdriver or a Phillips in this case, and just remove the two screws that hold the existing lock in place. I don't have to take these fully off. I think if I just loosen them, the whole thing will slip out just like that. And you can see it has a permanent little metal plate to protect the glass from the screws. And before I install the new one, I'm just gonna take a little Windex here and kind of clean the surface of the glass just so it's clean underneath the lock. And now to replace the lock. Now this one just uses Phillips. So first I'm just gonna loosen up these screws here to give it room to insert. Just like that, and then hopefully, maybe a little bit looser. And there it goes, it fits really nicely. Kind of put it where it originally was. Just hand tighten it a little bit, and then just tighten it up just snug enough to kind of hold it in place tightly. You don't want to over twist this because you could potentially break the glass, and you don't want to do that. Just make sure that it's in there snug, and it is. And so that's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and put the key in, and you can see the little latch here comes in and out. So hopefully with it closed, I'll be able to just close it up like that. Lock it up, take the key out, and sure enough, it is secure. And so that was a quick video just to show you this really easy replacement to a display cabinet lock. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.